Hello, let me show you how to use Filemad to automate some parts of your Excel accounting. So to get started, click on Start Now here in the middle part. And then I've already created a workspace for the Excel company, so for Excel accounting. And then you get here. Here we then click on Upload Bills. I've already prepared a number of bills, so we can just drag and drop them over here. And then click on Run. So this will take a little bit of time to upload all the invoices and then process them. I'll speed it up for you. So we're now back to one file to go. And here we have one invoice where there's no data available yet. So it's from Loom, which I used to record this. So we create a new one. So here you can input whatever you want, basically. This one is more interesting, maybe. Here, if you click here, then all the line items will be shown as a separate line in the output CSV. If you don't tick it, one invoice will result in one line. So this is very useful for example, if you have withholding tax in your invoice, or if different line items need to be booked into different accounts. Then this is very useful because you can basically split up an invoice into several bookings. So here we go without ticking it. Click Save and Continue. Next time when I upload a Loom invoice, then it will automatically use the information I just input and just create it without actually prompting me to input anything. So to see the Excel file, then we click on Download CSV. And this is what we get. So we click on Back, and let me show you some more information. So here the finished tasks that get stored for up to 3 days. Here we have the information and parsing. And here if you click on Loom, for example, that's the information I just put in. So you can always update the information to whatever you want. That's available for invoices and for bills. So invoices you can upload as well. It works exactly the same way as bills. That might be royalty payments, invoices that were not created using your accounting software, all those things. One step further down is the configuration of the CSV columns. So here you can drag and drop whichever columns you want to show in your CSV, and also change the order of the columns, which allows you to completely customize the output, make it fit to whatever format you're currently using in your Excel accounting. Here's a preview of what it would look like in the CSV. And at the very end is a comment section where you can just input some information about the client, about the department, about the workspace in general. This is very useful. For example, for clients you only work on once a year. You probably forget everything you did and why you did it the next year. So it's good to put the comments in, save the comments, and next time when you get to this client, you know why you did what you did. So this is the invoicing section of Filemad. It might take a little bit longer to set everything up, but once you have all the information in there, all those repeated invoices and bills will just get processed automatically, and it will save you a lot of time.